Hey guys, welcome to Bilbo Tech. This is Bala here with a fresh episode of Bilbo Tech. Today in this video, let's see the Poco F2 Pro. Yes, the successor of Poco F1. So without any further time, let's get into the video and look into it. But before getting into the video, do subscribe to Bilbo Tech and click on the like button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications from Bilbo Tech. So without any further time, let's get straight into the video. The Poco F1 from Xiaomi, and first go it was a flagship with a mid-range price, and it was unbelievable value. At the time, at the speed, we expected Snapdragon 855 or 855 plus powered by Poco F2, and end of the day that it was a different thing. And the Poco phone formula is very simple. It's very much same as the 2 years ago. Put the fastest chipset, let's take for the Android, that's the Snapdragon mostly. So 865 David, and as many flagship worthy specs and a good design and a slab price at a reasonable price on it. So just bulk it up and make it a reasonable price. The Poco F2 Pro is actually a rebadged Redmi K30 Pro, but seeing how only China gets the K series phone, that hardly matters. The phone is built around as a 6.6 inch of Super AMOLED display and has a motorized pop-up 20 MP selfie camera, and 20 MP selfie camera is decent. And we get a quad camera setup on the back that gets 64 MP of main camera, and while inside we have 4700 mAh of battery, and it supports up to 30 watts quick charging. Now coming to the Poco's F2 Pro, promising look, that's how they promote it. So we expect good results from the camera. It is 5 MP macro, especially that's gonna be more interesting in the quad camera, because the quad camera setup consists of the 5 MP and they say 5 MP quad camera, 5 MP quad camera, so that's good. And the Poco F2 Pro was recently launched in 12th May. Yeah, 12th May, but the Indian arrival is so late and official arrival is so late. And the display resolution is 1080 into 2040 resolution, and the ratio of is 20:9. Poco F2 is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm processor. There is a Snapdragon processor, and it comes with 6 GB of RAM, and the Poco F2 runs on the Android 10 and powered with Qualcomm. And the Poco F2 Pro also supports the fast charging, proprietary fast charging. So as far as the Poco F2 concerned, the rear packs quad camera setup, that makes a lot of sense here, because 64 MP primary camera, and the second camera is of 13 MP, and the third camera is of 5 megapixel, and the fourth camera is of 2 megapixel of depth camera. And the front camera of the Poco F2 Pro supports 20 megapixel autofocus camera for the selfies. And the Poco F2 is a dual SIM, that is GSM and GSM. The smartphone accepts nano SIM, both nano SIMs, and the Poco F2 Pro measures 163.30 into 7.40 into 8.90. This is the dimensions. Fine, because we said this because in the previous video we had comments about the dimensions, and the weight of this phone just 218 grams. So coming to the colors, it has cyber grey, electric purple, neon blue, and phantom white colors, and 4 colors is decent for a budget segmented phone. Coming to the connectivity options, Poco F2 Pro will include Wi-Fi of 80.112 ABP or GNC or AC, and as usual GP, and a Bluetooth of version 5.10, and it also includes NFC, USB Type-C, 3G and 4G with the band 40 used by a lot of networks in India. So it also comes with a lot of sensors like accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and in-display fingerprint. Yeah, in-display fingerprint is getting common nowadays. It's just a trend, just it notch wise. That's it guys. The Poco Pro also has just face unlock. do you even think face unlock is worthy? Fine, so there's no issues for us. So also this has face unlock, and overall summing up the all features, I feel that Poco F2 Pro is a worthy deal to buy, because quad camera, fast charging, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, all these things come for the price of 16,000. That's what they announced. Let's wait for the launch of this, and this is not gonna be launching in US or UK. It's mostly on Asian countries, that is India and China and other countries. So let's wait for the launch, and let's expect the hands-on if possible. So guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned with Billboard Tech for new latest videos on tech. So do click the bell icon and click the subscribe button next to it, so you don't miss any latest notifications from Billboard Tech. So guys, this is Bala shining out. I'll see you in the next one.